Hello everyone, welcome to this e-learning session and I am here to introduce you to trigonometry. The history of trigonometry goes way back to the 3rd century BC. Trigonometry is a branch of mathematics which deals with the relationship between the sides and angles of a triangle. Trigonometry is having wide applications, whether it be in astronomy, engineering, navigation, presently in GPS, or in artificial intelligence too. Trigonometry answers to your questions like how far is the ship offshore or what is the height of the tallest building or a tree. Trigonometry is a Greek word where tri means 3, gona means sides and metron means measurements. So trigonometry will mean measurement of 3 sides. The basics of trigonometry begins with 3 terms: right angle triangle, Pythagoras theorem and similar triangles. Right angle triangle means a triangle in which one of the angle is 90 degree. Pythagoras theorem states hypotenuse square is equal to side 1 square plus side 2 square, and similar triangles are those in which the corresponding elements are in proportion. So now let's learn about these trigonometric ratios. But before learning the trigonometric ratios, we need to know the terms that are related to the right angled triangles. So here we have the terms related to the right angle triangles. So we have a triangle ABC in which angle B is 90 degree. Then AC will be the hypotenuse. If angle B is 90, AC is the hypotenuse, we have one of the angle as theta. Theta is a Greek word which is used to represent an angle. It can be represented as alpha, beta or theta. So here I have considered it as theta. So if I consider angle theta, then AC is the hypotenuse. So the adjacent side of theta will be AB and the side opposite to theta will be BC. So for angle theta we have adjacent side as AB and opposite side as BC. If we consider the other angle C as theta, then the adjacent side will be BC and opposite side will be AB. So these are the terms that are related to the right angled triangle. Now we will move on to know the trigonometric ratios. As I told you, trigonometry is about the 3-sided measurements and it is telling the relation between the sides and angles of the right angled triangle. Basically we are having 6 trigonometric ratios. So here is the first trigonometric ratio that we have, which tells the relation between the sides of the triangle. So here sine of theta, that is sine of the angle, we have taken here the sine. Theta is the angle that is there, angle A. So sine of theta will be given as opposite side of angle theta upon its hypotenuse. So we have here the side written in terms of letters. The opposite side here is of theta is BC and hypotenuse is AC. So we'll have it as BC upon AC. So sine theta, this is the short form of sine, SIN. The full spelling is SINE. In short, we write it as sine theta is equal to opposite upon hypotenuse, it is BC upon AC. The second trigonometric ratio is cosine theta. So in short, it is written as cos theta. So the ratio is given as adjacent upon hypotenuse. Now here the adjacent side is AB, hypotenuse is AC. So I will write here it is equal to AB upon AC. So this is the second trigonometric ratio which says cosine of an angle theta is adjacent upon hypotenuse. The third trigonometric ratio is tangent of theta. The relation is given by tangent of theta, in short said as tan theta, is given by opposite side of angle theta upon the adjacent side of angle theta. Here the opposite side is BC and the adjacent side is AB. So we have it here BC upon AB. So basically these are the three trigonometric ratios from which we can derive the next trigonometric ratios. To memorize this trigonometric ratio, there is one mnemonic that we use. Okay, so it will help you to understand these ratios easily and memorize them too. The first one is sin theta is opposite upon hypotenuse. So it is told as SOHA. SOHA means sine of angle opposite side upon hypotenuse. The second one, cos theta is adjacent upon hypotenuse. So it is called as CAHA. CAHA, cos theta is adjacent upon hypotenuse, and the third mnemonic is TOA. TOA means tangent, opposite side and adjacent sides. So these mnemonics will help you to memorize these three basic trigonometric ratios very easily. The next trigonometric ratios are cosec of an angle theta. Cosec of an angle theta is given by hypotenuse upon the opposite side. So you can see here sin theta is opposite upon hypotenuse, then cosec is hypotenuse upon opposite. So it is the reciprocal of sin theta. So you will have here this as AC upon BC. The fifth trigonometric ratio, sec theta, is given by hypotenuse upon adjacent. Hypotenuse is AC and adjacent is AB. You can see here again sec theta is just the inverse of cos theta. So it will be written as AC upon AB. And the sixth trigonometric ratio that we are having is cot theta. Cot theta is given by the ratio adjacent side of angle theta upon the opposite side of angle theta. So cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta. So we have this as AB upon BC. So these are the 6 basic trigonometric ratios which we initially learned. There are more trigonometric ratios which we have. You will be learning it later on. So thank you for watching and keep watching.